Welcome to our spring kitchen. Today, Duey C.K and Peppy are here to brighten your day with a fresh and flavorful spring pea pesto recipe. Perfect for the season, this vibrant green sauce is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Let's dive in. Start with 2 cups of fresh or thawed peas. In a food processor, combine the peas with 1 cup of fresh basil leaves, a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a half cup of toasted pine nuts, and 2 cloves of garlic. Pulse until the ingredients are well mixed. As you continue to blend, slowly drizzle in a half cup of extra virgin olive oil until the pesto reaches a smooth consistency. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Peppy's tip: if your pesto needs a bit more liquid, add a splash of lemon juice for a zesty kick. Now let's talk history. Pesto traces its roots back to ancient Rome, but the version we know today comes from Genoa, Italy. Traditionally made with basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil, pesto has evolved to include numerous variations, like our spring pea pesto. This bright green twist not only celebrates the fresh flavors of spring, but also aligns with the Italian tradition of using what's in season. Serve your spring pea pesto over pasta, as a dip, or spread it on sandwiches for a burst of springtime goodness. Happy cooking!